So good day. Today we are going to discuss about the chi-square for independence by definition. The chi-square test of independence is a statistical hypothesis test used to determine whether the categorical or nominal variables are likely to be related or not. So as we can see, we have here the chi-square test calculator. So as we can see, we have here the 100 data sample of X and variable data sheets. So for the X variables, we have here the type of movie they saw. We have a code which are number 1 is for action movie, and number 2 for drama, and number 3 is for horror movie. And for Y variables naman, as we can see, we have here the code. The number 1 is if they have buy for snacks, and the code number 2 if they don't buy for snacks. So as we can see, we have here a total of 100 respondent of data sample to be calculated. So as we can see, we have here the two categories, which are the ones who buy stocks and the ones who don't buy stocks. So as we can see, in the action movie, there are 25 people who buy stocks, and for drama movie, we have 15 people who buy stocks, and for horror movie naman, we have here 17 people who buy stocks. So in the Y variables, we have here the in action movie, we have here 10 people who don't buy stocks, and for drama movie, we have here 23 people who don't buy stocks. So in horror movie naman, we have here 10 people who don't buy stocks. So next, click lang natin to next to calculate. So here are the result. So the result is in the chi-square statistic is 8.126 and the p-value is 0.0719. So the result is significance at p less than 0. P is less than 0.05. So to sum up the results, I have here the narrative discussion. So the objective is to determine if the type of movie they choose have nothing to about their choice to buy snacks. So the null hypothesis, there is no significant relationship between the type of movie they choose and their choice to buy a snack. So the condition is significance level set to 0.05. So the answer number 1 is the chi-square statistic is 8.1269. So in the answer for number 2 is the p-value is 0.0719. So if computed, the p-value is greater than 0.5 and accept the null hypothesis. So in data analysis, the data had been tested with the chi-square test to demonstrate adequate proof to conclude that the observed results are the same as the expected results. So the chi-square test for the computed p-value is 0.0719, which is less than 0.05 level of significance. So this means we have sufficient evidence to say that there is an association between the type of movie and the choice of buying snacks.